everyone, it's Heather with Life with Heather G, and I'm here. Finally, it's been a little bit, but I have my Kinder Beauty and my Allure. So if you like to watch me unbox these and see what kind of goodies I have, stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with my Allure. This came in the box a few days ago, and then my Kinder Beauty came yesterday, so I'm gonna do both of them today. Allure is a $23 a month subscription. But anyways, I don't have a card. Oh, I do have a card. Let's see, I forget if this one tells the prices. It does. But the first thing I got was this double act. It says shadow stick, and it looks like it has like two different colors. And this is a $25. It's $25. And this is a full size. So it has like a dark brown. And then the other side has more like of a shimmer brown. I've never tried an eyeshadow like this, but it would be easy to do like a smoky eye over here because of the pencil. It'd be, you know, you could get a really good precision line there. So we'll see. As long as it's creamy and it goes on smooth, because I don't like things that tug on my eyelids because I'm old. Okay, next thing is, this is one of the spoilers that I did see, and this is that 111 skin or 111 skin, whatever we call it. It's a vitamin C brightening booster. And I know this brand is expensive. Let's see. And this looks like a full size. Where is it? Oh, right there. So this one is, yes, $155. This better be a miracle cream, because this girl would not spend $150 on a cream, unfortunately. That's why I get these boxes. It's in a dropper, and it's good for summer because it has that vitamin C in it that we all need, and it's just, you can see that, a very watery consistency. Feels very hydrating. Feels nice. And I do like to have a vitamin C that is in a serum, not a serum, a serum form, because sometimes I get those powders and I'm so bad at like actually using them and mixing them. So I like serums and creams. Okay, so $155, that's crazy. Next item is a clay wash. Oh, wrong one. It looks like a little sample. Clay wash by B. Glen. I've never heard of this brand, but this is actually a facial cleanser with all natural creamy formula that acts like a vacuum for impurities. Okay, and the full price of this one is $44. But this, yeah, so I'm not sure the price of this one because this is not a full size, but the full size is $44. Okay, so I have a face wash and a serum and eyeshadow. Next one is the Pixie by Petra. Looks like a lipstick or a lip gloss. No, it says lip glow, tinted balm. So it looks really bright on the package. See, it has that really bright color. But it says it's a tinted balm, so not like a lipstick. Oh yeah. It's a bright color. Let's see. But it is like a sheer tint, not like a really bright hot pink, which is what it looks like in the box. So that's awesome. I'll use that. And I do like Pixie. I've had other products from them and I really like them. In fact, I use like a nude color eyeliner for my waterline, and it's by Pixie and it's my favorite. That one is $14, and that is a full size. Next one. Oh, I just dropped something. Okay, back. Neria Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. So, oh, we got a serum and an eye cream. Got a little bit of everything here. So, Neria, and I've never heard of this. So, the eye cream has an unusual but very useful applicator. The plastic disc prevents you from pressing too hard. All right. And irritating your delicate area around your eye. Oh, I'm going to rip this open because it's not an easy one. Let's check out this applicator that I am. Oh, wow. Yeah, so it's like one of those. That's weird. I have seen that before. So you must just kind of tap it on. Oh, there's that. Look at it. Just a very creamy. All right. I can't stop my box. Here you go. So I put it right there. Oh, wow. It's definitely a little bit of a thicker consistency than I thought. Not as watery as the serum. But that's cool. I like that. It also says that it's clean beauty, which I was looking for. Because I've been trying to switch a lot of my products to the cleaner versions of makeup and skincare, which that's why I like my Kinder Beauty so much, is that I know all the stuff in there is clean. I do get clean products in other boxes too, but you're never guaranteed that. So anyways, this says clean, cruelty-free, vegan, all the good stuff. So I like that. Now there were two, oh, did I tell you the price of that one? Now I usually put them on the screen anyway, but in case I forget, that's $30 and that is full size as well. Now the last, oh, I didn't see this, but that little eye pencil actually has a little weird looking sharpener for it. So it came with a sharpener. That's cool. All right, so the last one was you could pick two. And I'm really sad. I love Ahava, but I love the Boom Boom cream. And I did not get that one. I got the Ahava, which I know I like, but the Boom Boom cream is amazing. And so I was really hoping that I would get that. But I got the hand cream, and this is definitely like a smaller size. And this full size, it would be $24 if you bought the full size of this. And this is not the full size, so. Anyways, I have really been liking Allure. They have really good products and everything, again, that I will use. I got serum, I got an eye pencil, I should say eyeshadow, a tinted lip balm. Did I say eye cream already? And a hand cream. I mean, everything that I will use. Oh, that's... I should swatch this for you. So, that is the light color. And then the other side is that darker color. So you could definitely, I could see using this to darken up my outer corner, which I did not do today, so maybe I'll try that. And then the other one to kind of highlight because it has a little bit more of a shimmer on the light brown. Anyways, that's really cool. But we are going to go ahead and get on to the next box. Okay, I'm back. And I do have my favorites. Kinder Beauty. This one I've been getting for a while. This one I believe is $25 a month. And it is guaranteed to be all cruelty-free, vegan. Oh, I did not open it yet. See? Proof, I did not open it. I'll be back. Okay, sorry. I thought I opened both boxes before I started because I always struggle opening them. Anyway, so here's the Kinder Beauty. And you do have to go online for prices, so I'll do that and I'll just post them next to them as I'm talking about them. Tells you where to go. But yeah, one of the things I just love about it is that you know what you're getting in here. It's all good stuff for your skin, and it's already been checked out and making sure that it's vegan, cruelty-free. Okay, first item that I have is a 103 Collection Antioxidant Facial Moisturizer that is vegan. And I believe vegan just means I like the natural products just because I feel like whatever I put on my skin absorbs into my skin. So I like that, but this one's vegan, which I do believe it doesn't use animal products that way at all, so that's cool. I haven't heard of that, and I will let you know more about that after I use it. Again, on this box, the only thing I don't like is that I don't have the prices and descriptions as I'm doing this video. I could look them up ahead of time, but I'm not that cool. Next thing is, I never say this right, Laritzi, maybe Cosmetics, and Warm Peach. Ooh, that sounds like a blush. Yes. I could use a good natural blush. Oh, that looks like a highlighter. Warm peach, yeah, baked highlighter. It's a baked highlighter, which is nice. I am not gonna swatch that because I have so many right now that I may give this to my mom to try, because I have already highlighters out and I'm not one that does this big highlight every day, so I don't go through it fast enough. The next one is Essential Derma E Microdermabrasion Scrub. Oh, very cute. So Microdermabrasion Scrub. I will use this. Oh my gosh, that smells good. So it's like a cream, but it says microdermabrasion, so it must have like a little, let's just see. I'm gonna get a little bit out. I may give that to my mom too, because I just got done telling her that she needs to exfoliate more. But I'm just gonna put it there and kind of feel, oh yeah. Yeah, definitely has that very fine, grainy texture that exfoliates your skin. It's been so long actually. I usually use more of a chemical exfoliant than I do the microdermabrasion, but maybe I'll try this first and then I'll let my mom try it. But anyways, I love that. So we got a highlight, a face cream, and exfoliator so far. Which again, I quit my BoxyCharm because I was getting too much makeup, and I just love skincare. Like I could all day long lather myself in skincare. Even when I get all these lotions, I'll put it on my face, but I make sure that I go down even on my shoulders, my décolleté area, all that. I just am very generous with my moisturizer. So this one right here is a hyaluronic acid niacinamide and vitamin C and E serum. I can't get enough of those. It's from East 29th. But that sounds amazing. It has everything that you kind of need and all these things that I use in my skincare already in one. So after cleansing, lightly massage a few drops on any clean area before moisturizing. It says at night. So again, a clean serum. So what you're putting on your skin is really good for you. Love it. Geez, I got lots in here. What is this? Face mask hydrate. And I love it. Their packaging, even a lot of it is like, you can tell this is biodegradable. They even have their little Facebook and Twitter on the side that you can post. Wendell Berry, the earth is what we all have in common. So true. Love it. And it says J and L. It's a cute little sticker even right there. It looks like it could be homemade, like a small. How cute. Oh my goodness, recyclable material too. How cute. Up. Look, it's very simple packaging. On the top, face mask by the Ellen. J&L Natural. So that's cool. So this looks like it's a powder. Oh, you can see that. So you have to probably mix this with water, or a lot of times if I get these kind of masks, I'll mix a little bit with apple cider vinegar and use it that way. But that's awesome. So it says, yeah, it's a Dead Sea clay, oatmeal powder, green tea powder, and kaolin clay. So, of course, natural too. So this, again, is my favorite box. So I got the clay mask. I have a moisturizer. I have a microdermabrasion, again, all natural. A serum, and a beautiful highlight. All for like $25, and it's all clean. And I was looking online to try to find some clean beauty to try, and I did order some Ilia, and I spent too much on it. It's expensive, so I couldn't get very much. But here you get a full box of clean makeup or beauty or skincare items for $25. Like, to me, that's a steal, and I'll probably never get rid of my Kinder Beauty. But, oh, I didn't even see inside the box. It has a scoop. So cute. Anyways, I think that is all I have for today. And I guess I will see you guys next unboxing. Bye.